Welcome to a video where I'm going to be showing you a cool, completely free chart that you can put onto your website. So if you go to auronum.co.uk, look at the resources and then go to charts and prices. This is a chart that we use to display the gold spot price, but it's generally a commodity chart. And also there's some indices as well. The way that you change what the chart is looking at is this corner here. So we can look at some indices. The FTSE 100 is an option on here. But also if we take a look at something like, let's go for platinum. So it's kind of like any other candlestick chart where you can look at this in a day range, or you can look at the weekly or monthly candlesticks. As you can see, the price is updating as I'm speaking. This is a live data feed. So it's not something that you traditionally see. You traditionally see these as like 15-minute delays, but and a lot of charts as well that you see that are free for embedding, you have to kind of refresh the page to update the chart, whereas ours is dynamic. So if you want to put this onto your website, you can customize it. So just click, and then if there's a couple of ways that you can adjust this. So you can take away the volume, which will tidy the chart up a little bit. If your theme is light or dark, there's options for that as well. And you can also change the default. So what do you want the chart to show your users when when they first look at this chart? So something that is really significant here is that this chart has so many features. It's live, as I mentioned. This will keep users engaged on your website for quite some time. We typically see people engaging with this for a good 5 minutes. And that is a ranking factor for Google. So this will keep people on your website for longer. And Google uses that as a quality signal. So if people are spending on average 6 minutes on your website because they're engaging with this chart, whereas rivals don't have this chart, they might only spend less than a minute. So Google is going to see your website as being better, more engaging than others. And people will come back to your website to view this as well. So this is something completely free provided by Auronum. All you need to do is customize all of the kind of little tweaks that you can make, press apply, and then that will change your embedding code. Copy that code, paste it onto your website, update, and then you will populate this on your website.